Hi guys, welcome to Connect Health and Fitness. Okay guys, I'd like to show you the drinks I bought at the airport. Oops. So it's not cheap. I didn't find it cheap, so I got a strawberry and banana smoothie. Okay. Then strawberries and apples. Bananas and mango. Bananas and citrus fruit. And a bottle of water. Okay, I got three salads. Okay, bulgur, carrots, falafel. Okay, I don't know if you can see, guys. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, I got two of them. Two Makta and one Fuji. Red rice, hummus of red lentils. Okay. And it comes with those little cute olive oil. I thought it was really nice. Balsamic vinegar. Okay. I already had the vegan sushi. I had all my fruits. And I got this dessert as well. Sorry guys, you might not be able to see it properly because of the light. I can't wait to try it. It's mostly soya drink, oats, berries, dried fruits, cranberry, sugar. Okay, pepper strawberry, chia pudding, strawberries. Okay, I hope it's nice, guys. Okay, I can't really be talking here because the woman doesn't shut up. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm at the airport having a great day. Thank you. Bye.